Well, good Monday afternoon, everyone. Meteorologist Michael Wilhite here with your Southern Indiana weather quick update today, sponsored by Metal Magic in Washington. Give Chad a call at 698-8555 for all of your paintless dent repair needs. Folks, if you get any hail damage today, they can take care of you, and they'll do it right the first time. Give them a call. Sky Tracker HD here in motion. We do have some storms popping up again this afternoon. Severe weather wasn't really in the forecast for us. It was forecasted more down here in Kentucky, and actually, if you put this into motion, you can see there have been a few warnings down here into Kentucky. There was a brief storm that fired up right along the Clark County border and moved in through Kentucky that briefly went severe, but for the majority of us, we haven't seen any warnings today. Is it possible that we could see some warnings coming out of this line? The potential is there. We do have a strengthening upper level system moving our way, so we are watching that very closely. In fact, National Weather Service is watching it as well. The Storm Prediction Center has issued what we call a mesoscale discussion, which indicates they're thinking about a watch. In fact, they've given it they're saying watch possible. Probability of watch issuance at 40%. So basically, the chance for a few strong to possibly severe storms will exist over portions of the lower Ohio Valley south. Across western Tennessee over the next couple of hours, strong winds and some hail appear to be the primary hazards. So, not an outbreak by any means, but they're looking for the possibility of issuing a severe thunderstorm watch. If it happens, of course, it'll go right here onto our Facebook and Twitter accounts, and you'll be able to get that. And of course, I will be here monitoring as well. Portions of the area are under a slight risk today, but it's just really not an extensive risk for us. As you can see, it's mainly for Kentucky. That's where the majority of the severe weather was forecast to be today. It wasn't really forecast to be a major severe event today anyway, but there are the chances for a few stronger storms today. We were included in that 5% marginal risk as a majority of the state is in. So again, an isolated stronger storm or two out of these certainly would not be out of the question tonight, and we'll keep an eye on that. Do they issue a watch? Do they not? Certainly that's uncertain at this point. 40% watch possible status is usually whenever they get down to that, well, you also is a 60% chance of that they're not going to issue it. So the odds are still stacked against it. But we'll keep an eye on it, and we'll monitor it, folks. And I'll be here through this evening to let you know what happens if things do get issued. Otherwise than that, tonight, folks, we're going to go down to the upper 40s to near 50 degrees around the area. Showers and thunderstorms continuing during the overnight hours. Just some general rain tomorrow morning, maybe an isolated thunderstorm, a little bit warmer. But you can see as we go through the 10-day, just a very wet period, but also very mild compared to where we have been at as well. So keep an eye over this over the next couple of hours, folks, and then the majority of any severe threat would certainly be gone. So we will be here monitoring to let you know. I'm meteorologist Michael Wilhite with your quick update here this afternoon. Stay safe and stay tuned to Southern Indiana Weather on Facebook and Twitter for more details.